Today, folks, we're going to have a relaxing Sunday morning stroll through central Dumaguete. Well, I can't speak the local Ilongo dialect, but I reckon I know what that says. The Campanario de Dumaguete was originally built in 1760 as a watchtower to guard the city from invading Moro pirates. The belfry was added to the tower in 1867. Time and time again when I'm in the Philippines, I come across architecture that makes me think, am I really in Southeast Asia? The Dumaguete Cathedral, or St. Catherine of Alexandria Cathedral, was completed in 1776. Upon high on the church's facade, statues of St. Peter and St. Paul greet visitors as they attend Mass. The 1.5 hectare Quezon Park sits across the road from the cathedral. The city of gentle people has experienced quite a unique and inspiring history of occupation and resurrection. The Spanish, then the Americans, and then the Japanese Imperial Army during the Second World War. With each wave of colonisation or invasion, they have rebounded and grown. Well, it's a very quiet Sunday morning in Dumaguete. So we're at the Dumaguete Boulevard, and it's a really lovely place. And I've been here for about 6 days now, and I've only produced 2 videos, but I have been working on other videos, and I've had a bit of a hold up with something that I hope to make the video tomorrow. I'm still negotiating with Silliman University, and so I'll stick around until I've made that video, and then I'm going to Siquijor. This has definitely been the post-COVID break that I've been looking for. I feel like I'm on holiday and I'm just enjoying every second of it. It's just fantastic. And here we are down on this beautiful boardwalk. Well, it's the Rizal Boulevard, which is the road, which is just up there. And then there's all of this. Sunday lunchtime, there's no one here. Virtually got it to myself. And it's pretty relaxing. Well, I tried to go to Sans Rival, except they were full. And so they should be. I've been, that's the branch on Rizal Boulevard, but I've been to the branch at Robinson's Mall, and it's pretty good. They do a pretty good job. Thank you, that's water. Thanks very much. And it's not too expensive. Coffee at Starbucks is 145 pesos here, and I think it is at Tom Tom and some of the other chains. Whereas at Sans Rival, 75 pesos. And so that's it, ladies and gentlemen, for another contextually disjointed vlog from the master of disjointedness. But that's modern day travel. 1 minute you're admiring a 16th century stone tower, and the next minute you're cooling your heels at ground zero with a refreshing mango shake. I was here earlier this afternoon, and boy, it's just so different in the evenings. It looks very nice, but I think we'll keep walking. So this is what we're walking into. Oh, there's a really cool breeze coming off the sea, and all of this space. It's a really fantastic amenity for the people of Dumaguete. People have set up their own little stalls on blankets, selling clothing and jewellery and just about anything you can imagine, I suppose. It's very relaxing here in the dark with the waves crashing against the sea wall. And it's times like these that you feel like saying something deeply philosophical, but I can't think of anything. And I've tried. We're one street back from the boulevard. Lower rent.
Building, San Jose Street,
and this bakehouse has decided that by playing talk radio, they'll drag the customers in. Well, I think we might turn off the back street because the restaurant choices are somewhat disappointing. Chowking, Jollibee. Nothing, you know, that leaps out at you. Nothing you can't have in Manila. This is the Sans Rival or Sans Rival. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Is it French? On the boulevard, and it's just beautiful. Such an exquisite old building.